Yeah.
How many smiles are in your bank account? How many laughs? How many hugs and shoulders to lean on? These are the special moments in life, the milestones, the heart-to-hearts that create the most lasting and cherished memories. How many lives have you touched? How many haven't you? It's never too late to accumulate the kind of capital that matters. When you add it up, after all the years, it's actually what matters more. How will you be remembered?
Jones Funeral Home Crematory provides comfort and reassurance during a family's most difficult time while honoring the legacy of your loved one. That's why we're here to welcome you to home to operate its own crematory and run in College Station. To learn
And you can extend him and bring him back. Just when you go to bring him back, do the rock in your hip things and hum.
Luckily, there's a Walgreens right around the corner, so you can feel better faster. And right now, get select Mucinex.
That button works.
Yeah.
To waste more time feeling lousy this cold season. Get in and out in minutes. The Classics 1073 and 1023, streaming online at classichits1073.com. Brought to you by Interim Health.
Yeah, this really good rider taught me that trick.
Interim Healthcare.
And I've been using it a lot.
returns next month for another season of the reboots. And as a matter of fact, all of the judges will
And loping, you really just kind of get him real collected. And then your outside leg and a big kiss. That's it. So I had him sold to this mother and daughter who were going to show him walk, trot, amateur, and novice am. Dee Dee told him he was a bronc, and then he ran away with Sabine at a show and tried to buck her off.
What's that?
Yeah.